I love cooking. And today I got a chance to review that Inset 5 non-stick fry pan. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. That's 11-inch non-stick fry pan with lid. This pan used the conical lid. This design helped to concentrate the steam and the heat to the food evenly. This is non-stick and sturdy, heat resistant, stove oven to dining table. Work with all kind of stoves. It has a stainless steel top which is easy to assemble. The included lid locks in moisture and flavor, making the ideal for simmering sauce, stew, or even making delicious tagine. It's also come with gloves and the pot mat, so you can serve direct to the table. It's come with the instruction how to use it. So let's start. First, heat up the pan, sprinkle a little bit of oil, and then wipe it with a paper towel. And let me show you what I cooked so far in that. You can cook beef, you can fry. Turns out great with less oil. It's good for frying. Beef soup, beef stew, chicken curry, toast something, pancakes, eggs. Perfect for breakfast. You can even bake. And if you're making tortillas, you can use it as a warmer, as a container. Overall, that Inset 5 non-stick fry pan skillet Tagine pan appears to be very versatile and addition to any kitchen. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Perfect for wedding or anniversary gift. Upgrade now by click the link below.